Well, tonight we are getting a stunning look at COVID-19's impact on lung cells.
News 3 reporter Zach Dahlheimer talked with researchers about these images and a local COVID survivor about its impact.
It was life-changing.
Dion Campbell remembers fighting for his life last March against COVID-19.
You really don't expect certain things like that to happen in your life.
We first introduced you to Campbell 2 weeks ago. At 26, he was sent to the hospital and at one point kept alive by a ventilator.
I ended up developing blood clots in my lungs.
He says he's now dealing with fatigue while recovering from the virus. One thing he recalls when battling COVID was his breathing issues.
It just felt like someone had turned the heat on outside, like the sun was just beaming. It was very humid.
We want to tell the story.
Dr. Camille Eyre and others at UNC School of Medicine produced these images showing lung cells infected by SARS-CoV-2.
We are looking at the cells from above. So imagine you are like flying a drone above a forest, basically. And you are seeing a lot of trees and you're looking for poisonous apples, if you want, on top of those trees. And those are the SARS-CoV-2 viruses. In a couple of days, we can go from 1,000 viral particles to almost 10 million.
I want to show you this image from Eyre's lab showing what's called a cilia cell, which she says are cells within the airways, either in the lung or nasal cavity. The blue represents the cell, the greenish yellow tones are mucus, and the red represents COVID-19 and how it's impacting the cell.
Their role is to actually clear pathogens out of the lungs. But here they are taken over by the virus. They are completely hijacked.
Eyre says these visuals illustrate the need to wear masks, especially as vaccines roll out.
We start infecting nasal cells first, and we can be completely asymptomatic.
Meanwhile, Campbell believes research like this can help lead to more answers. Zach Dahlheimer, News 3.